try and work out the best way to hold this camera. Right, so if you couldn't tell, if you can't tell on my social media and Instagram and all that sort of stuff, I'm currently in South Africa. I'm visiting family. It's the first time we've traveled in about 2.5, 3 years. Obviously COVID and all those fun things that has happened, but I thought I'd bring you along for a fun little adventure on this morning. I'm currently staying with my grandmother in Howick, and she's in what they call, it's like a retirement village. So she's got her own house, and all her neighbors and friends and that all have their own individual houses, but in this gated village in Howick. And we're staying there, but it's right on the verge of a national park. So I thought I'd bring you along for our morning walk. We're just about to stop and have a quick cup of coffee. I'm very out of breath, as you can tell, but I thought I'd bring you along and just show you this little corner of South Africa. Also, just a PSA to watch where you're walking, because that's a hole. Big hole. Look at that. Look at this. What are the chances I'm going to get this down here? It's quite a trek. Cheers. Man, I hope I don't fall off this shit.